Welcome, Magnus.
Thank you very
Philippines.
much. And now we have take some beer and a little drinks and food tonight.
Yeah.
And we are going tomorrow to
Bislig.
Bislig heter det, just det. Bislig, det låter inte, det är inte Bislig.
Bislig.
Det är inte Bislig som ligger i norr, utan det heter Bislig.
Yeah. And then we go to Enchanted River.
Yeah. Then we go to
Hinatuan.
And now I have to learn everything, this name, so I have to talk to Mr. Hotel.
You have one chance only.
Yeah.
And that is one chance.
Oh, this was stopped
after
now.
that, you're out of
We can take out of this now.
out of the game.
And then tomorrow you can clip it the hoop and clip it up.
Yeah, I clip it the hoop and.
And tomorrow you're gonna see this. And you're gonna say,
Very nice.
what is he talking about?
Very nice video.
Yeah. So Håkan, very nice to be here.
Yeah.
And very nice to have this.
I'm glad you are here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, Magnus.
Hello, this is Magnus again from Sweden, and now I'm sitting in a car here, and Håkan, we have eating some really good stuff.
Yeah, we are on the way to Bislig. We stop in Bunawan and eating mang inasal. There is the rest.
The rest of the crew, come down. It's coming here.
I Bislig, men det regnar ju så det är fan monsunregn. Tropiskt. Tokregn. Det var det. Vi bor på en mountain resort. Vi behöver jag hoppas att det avtar till kvällen. Det här är fan inte kul. Men så är det i tropikerna. Så att det så är nära ekvatorn så då blir det sån här regn ibland. Oavsett om det är regnperiod eller inte. Kommer det inte. Det är som det är. Jag bara gillar läget.
Hello.
Mange,
we don't have any electricity here, and now it's very much on fire here in my face.
It's burn up. You have candles.
One more reward.
Candles. And we have insects on the table.
Insects.
Plenty.
Jag minns nog, jag får runt benen också ska
Ja, jag känner det. Ja.
de fladdrar på bra.
De försvinner efter ett tag.
Det var jättefint, men inte hade varit så jävla starkt.
I never wanna hear
Good morning. We are now on the way to Hinatuan, to Enchanted River. We wake up in the resort here in Bislig, and I've been awake since 3 o'clock because it's raining, heavy rain. And they have warnings on telephones, plenty of times. It's because it's high water levels and high risk for flooding and landslides. So we should have been here one night more, but now we decide, because they have no electricity left either, so we decide to check out now and go to Enchanted and see. We're gonna be travel to town here, and there's flooding. It's flooding there, and they're gonna go before us so we find the right way, because if we go wrong way in the town, we're gonna be stuck. So it's plenty of rain now, and it's we are on the way. How is it, everybody, in the rain? Hey Alba. Inte glömt någonting?
Nej, nu kör vi!
Hur känns det på äventyr i Filippinerna?
Det känns bra, jag gillar det här. Det ska vara lite äventyr då. Nu ska vi vidare mot djungeln och ta oss vidare i något nytt regnsystem.
Vi ska försöka ta oss genom byn först.
Precis. Där var det 1 meter vatten nyss, va?
Ja, det var ännu mer på vissa ställen.
Så det här, vi är på toppen, vet du, så längre ner ser det värre ut. Då ska Håkan filma.
Ja.
Det blir bra.
Vi hörs det.
Vi hörs.
Now we are we follow the car now in the younger road to avoid the flooding in the village, so we can leave this place. Otherwise, if we go wrong way, we're gonna be stuck in water. It's always exciting to travel in Philippines. Everything can happen. Now we are in Enchanted River, going with a truck down to the entry. Good morning. We have now arrived at Eden Nature Park in Davao, Turil. We are alone in the swimming pool. With a nice view over Samal. Eating at Jack Rich in Davao. Very nice view. Everybody eating. And Nelly eating pancakes. Very nice.
Ribs.
Very nice.
Very nice.